Bring your old grill back to life with Rust-Oleum High Heat. To start, bring your grill into an open area. Use a wire brush or sandpaper to remove rust and prep the surface. Then, clean with soap and water, rinse, and let dry. Tape off all handles, legs, and accessories that you don't want coated. To start painting, shake the can vigorously for 1 minute. Hold the can 12 to 16 inches from the surface and spray in a steady back and forth motion, slightly overlapping each stroke. Recoat as needed. Let dry for 1 to 2 hours. Allow more time at cooler temperatures or higher humidity. The last step is to heat cure the paint. Heat your grill to at least 450 degrees for 1 hour. Your grill may emit smoke or a harmless odor during this curing process. After 1 hour, turn off the heat and allow the grill to cool completely. The high heat paint is now fully cured and the grill is ready to use. To paint other areas of the grill, tape off the fully cooled grill and apply traditional Rust-Oleum spray paint. High heat works on metal surfaces that heat up to 1200 degrees and do not come in direct contact with flames. It is Stops Rust Durable with a corrosion-resistant formula. Enjoy your revitalized grill with Rust-Oleum High Heat.